people. Today we will look about the passwords on your phone, their location, deletion and retrieve. So hello guys, my name is Pooja and you are watching Gossipfunda. So let's not waste our time for it. Let's go. Now to see, delete or export passwords. First, on your Android phone or tablet, open the Chrome app. To the right of the address bar, tap More and the three dots. After this, tap Settings and then Passwords. See, delete or export a password. To see, tap View and manage saved password at passwords.google.com. To delete, tap the password you want to remove. At the top, tap Delete. And to export, tap More, the three dots, and then Export Passwords. To clear all your saved passwords, clear browsing data and select Passwords. And to check your saved passwords, you can check if your saved passwords were exposed in a data breach by checking all of them at once. To check your saved passwords, first, on your phone or tablet, open the Chrome app and then tap More, the three dots, and click on Settings. In the settings, tap Passwords. After this, tap on Check Passwords. You can check your saved password. That's it guys. There's a link of our website in the description box. Do check this out. And I hope you like this video. Don't forget to share this with your loved ones. And subscribe Gossipfunda.